Are you looking for a way to delete your Telegram account in 2023? In this video, I'll walk you through all the steps necessary to completely remove your account from Telegram. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the Telegram app and then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, tap on Privacy and Security. And then scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see an option called Automatically Delete My Account. So this setting automatically deletes your account if you haven't been active for a selected period of time. By default, it is set to automatically delete the account after 6 months of inactivity. If you don't come online at least once within this period, your account will be deleted along with all messages and contacts. You can just tap on it and change the setting from 6 months to 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year, or you can delete the account right now. So if you want to delete your account without waiting, simply tap on Delete Account Now. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see an option called Delete My Account. Simply tap on that, and your account will be deleted permanently. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.